RPG Show, you have outdone yourself with this unit, this color. Can we just, I'm sorry. I'm really ever speechless, okay? I'm really ever speechless. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. If you are, my name is Jay Monet. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I installed this unit from RPG Show. It came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-customized. All that I did was pop it on my head and add these curls to it. But this unit is in the silky texture. It's 18 inches and the lace color that I got is medium brown, so you can kind of use that as a guide, I guess. The most impressive thing I think about this unit is that this is a no glue install. I don't know about y'all, but I personally don't always like to have glue on my edges. RPG Show is great because they make their units so that you don't have to glue them down. This is the type of hair color that you find on Pinterest and you take it to your hairstylist and ask them to replicate. I just think they did such a beautiful job with the highlights. I love how it's, you know, lighter in the front and then the bottom is this beautiful chestnut brown color. I haven't dyed my hair light since I had a kind of a bad situation with that, but I always said that if the next time that I have the urge to go light, I'm just going to invest in a nice wig and call it a day. And honestly, this wig is everything and more.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus.
Okay, so let me just talk about this hair really quick, do a little quick review like I like to do at the end of my hair videos. So first and foremost, I have to say, I just have to applaud RPG Show for customizing this wig so beautifully. I've tried to bleach and dye a wig on my own in the past, and it's not an easy task. Getting it to lift to this color without being brassy, and the way that they did the highlights and everything, it's just so professionally done. Aside from the color, it does come pre-bleached, as I mentioned, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and all you have to do is throw it on your head and cut the lace and style it. And that's pretty much it. I just used some hairspray to secure down the lace a little bit, but it doesn't need a lot of, you don't really need to do much to it. It's a really good beginner friendly wig because it's basically ready to wear. I never experienced tangling or shedding with RPG Show wigs, and I almost forgot to mention that entirely because I feel like it's a given. If you guys are used to RPG Show wigs, like, you know that the quality is top notch, top tier. You know that you're getting like the best. You're investing. And I'm gonna point this out because I do know that RPGSHOW wigs can be on the pricier side, but I will say that you get what you pay for. I just think nothing compares to being able to buy a wig and not having to do a single thing to it except cut the lace off. I always get a little bit of anxiety when it comes to having to pluck and bleach and dye wigs, because it's like if you mess up, there's really no going back. So just the luxury and the convenience of being able to open the box and know that all you're gonna have to do is cut off the lace, I think is just something that you can't beat. Also, a side note, because I'm someone who genuinely appreciates branding and packaging and all that, the quality of their packaging material is just amazing. It comes with a little drawstring bag as well. I don't know if this is in all of the boxes, but mine came with a little compact mirror, which is really cute, as well as a carrying bag. I am definitely planning on keeping this unit on for some of my videos on my channel this week that I'll be filming. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, if you want to see this unit in action yet again. But that pretty much concludes today's video, you guys. I really hope that you guys are loving this unit as much as I am. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will catch you guys in my next video.